The heavy chain stitch is a variation of the chain stitch. Start by working a straight stitch. Come a little ahead and make a loop by passing the needle under the straight stitch. Or just make a lazy daisy. Now come out ahead on your stitch line and pass the needle under the straight stitch again. This makes nested chain stitches, making it look thicker or heavier. Next, come out on the stitch line and pass the needle under these two loops. Continue coming out ahead on the stitch line and passing under the previous two loops. This is what makes the chain thicker. It is a great stitch to work lettering and heavy outlines. I hope you liked this stitch. Please let me know if you have. Also, check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. This is Sarah from Sarah San Embroidery. Thank you for watching.